I don't even know why you're not here right now. You know what? Shut this off and come by right now. They're open right now. We're here right now. Come by. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining us. If this is not your first time here, then thank you for joining us just the same. Either way, I'm gonna give you a second to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Now that we got that out of the way, I think we need a little redemption. I don't know if you watched last week's review, but I was really in the mood for some Puerto Rican food, and what we got was meh. If you saw it last week, awesome. If you didn't see it last week, I'm gonna leave it somewhere for you to check it out. This week, we're gonna try a place called Nuestra. It's even newer than the last spot, Puerto Rican specific, and I am hungry. Let's check it out. You guys see how excited I was to try this place? I really wanted to try it. It's actually a subscriber suggestion. I guess we're gonna have to try it in another day. Little disappointed from the jump. It's a tough place to get to. Online, they're only open right now Thursday, Friday, Saturday from like 11:30 to 6. The food I hear is great. The service I hear is great. Never been inside myself. We're doing this for the first time together. Having said that, it is a little tough to come by, but we'll try it again on another day, maybe tomorrow. All right, guys, so we are back to Nuestra as promised. We did come back on another day, but we are super excited. Definitely called ahead. Made sure to speak with Natalie, the owner. She's here waiting for us, and we look forward to what it is that they have in that kitchen. Stay tuned. Nuestra is an authentic Puerto Rican restaurant currently located at 153 Stafford Street in Worcester, Massachusetts. They fuse your grandparents' traditional recipes along with a modern flair to provide customers with an authentic cultural experience. Nuestra translated means ours. This establishment proudly boasts, "This is for our city, our family, our food. This is for us." So we are here with Natalie, owner of Nuestra Restaurant here in Worcester. How you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing all right. I'm hungry is what I'm doing, really.
We got some food waiting for you.
I'm excited. So speaking about the food, obviously is what it's about. Why food for you? Why the restaurant business?
So the restaurant business kind of came as secondary. Food has always been one of those things. I remember even being a kid, just frying up sofrito just because of the smell. And so like it's nostalgic. Yeah. So it's like a childhood memory type of thing. Some more food coming over.
Awesome. And so how long have you been here for?
So we've been here a little over a year, about a year, a little bit over a year.
Awesome. And what are some of the more popular dishes that you guys have here?
Some of our more popular ones are the non-traditional ones. It's the guava barbecue wings,
which I did get. I'm super excited. Love guava barbecue.
The yuca nachos you can't just have one.
You can't. I heard. I read it.
We had a contest for that. And somebody picked the right name, and we heard that one. That was the one. So it's
perfect.
Yuca fries with chicken and cheese, mayo ketchup, lettuce, tomatoes, cilantro, onion, bacon. It's just
all the good words. All the good words. Super excited about that. And so, what's your favorite? Because a lot of times, what everybody's favorite is not necessarily what your favorite is.
So I have a few favorites. One of my favorites, I would say the guava wings, but carne frita is my go-to. So
safe.
That's just like I think it's just a safe meal. Yeah. But literally anything that has onions and cilantro in it, it's like for me. I put it on everything.
So what a lot of people may not know is that you had the blessing and curse of opening when you did.
Yep.
And there are a lot of challenges. And I tell everybody, this is why I like to do this channel. Support your local businesses. Right. It is not easy opening a business or a restaurant in general. Never mind right now during COVID, during all of this that's going on, what are some troubles that you've had so far in opening in the time frame that you did?
Just COVID in general. The time frame we opened 2 weeks before the pandemic hit, and so while we still have good reviews and yummy food and all the rest of that, it's still not necessarily always enough. You have to still kind of establish your name, but we never really got a chance to get established because people are home, and people are home more with their kids now too, so they're actually cooking more at home now as well. So some people are not eating out, losing their jobs, stuff like that. So it's not the same. Then your dining room got cut out, and we're too small to have the 24 seats that we had in here in the beginning. So it kind of put a damp on a lot of stuff as well.
So if you guys know where the restaurant is, I'm gonna link all their stuff somewhere here. Come by, check them out. They're gonna be around for a few more weekends here, and I'll mark the dates. But keep an eye on what they have going on here. The food looks great, smells delicious, and support your local businesses. They really do a best and care most for you guys at the end of the day, because that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to help the community, feed you guys, and bring the love here where it really counts, which is home. And now to eat some food, leg up. As you know and heard, they are known for that barbecue, that guava barbecue. Some of my favorite stuff, guava and barbecue. So to put them together, super excited. First bites. Here we go. Yo, that's bomb. That's bomb, for real. Have you tried this? They're like, honestly, might. They're really good. Thank you. They're really good. Like I was saying before, the texture on the outside, really good. It's not breaded, like overly breaded, like a crunch that you're going through, but it's one that you get a little bite on the front end, but then you sink through at the end. So that was the guava barbecue. They have the lemon passion fruit. So lemon passion fruit one here. Hold on a second. There's a little kick in there. There's a little kick in there. A little bit in the back end. Wow. Completely different flavor, but everything that was good about the other wing is consistent through all the wings. You can definitely taste that passion fruit. There is, like I said, a little bit of a spice in there in the back end. Very slight, not anything that's gonna blow your mouth apart, but it's gonna add to your flavor. And the lemon just gives it a little bit of zest. But the texture of these wings are really good. All right, so now going with the mango habanero. Considering the lemon powder had a little bit of a kick to it, get all messy up here. Considering the lemon passion fruit had a little kick to it, I'm excited to see how much kick is in the actual kicked spicy wings. I kind of feel like the lemon pepper surprised me more with the kick. Let me have another bite. Yeah. So the lemon pepper actually surprised me more with the kick than the mango habanero. Maybe the sweetness of the mango kind of like kills the spice a little bit. So if you're worried about spicy, I'd be more worried about the lemon passion fruit than the mango habanero. But the texture is still great. The flavor is still great. There's really not a bad wing here. If you're ever looking to like get a big order out for like a Super Bowl, any kind of sports, maybe a Sunday fun day, get the friends over, come here and get an entire package of these. Get these barbecue ones. They're my favorite. But everything is really, really good. For everybody watching, when you eat your wings, nothing better look like a fossil when you're done, okay? Clean, none of this. You're leaving some chicken now, some chicken later. Finish your wings, want that thing clean. So clean you think you took a Brillo pad and some Lysol on top of it. Like you didn't want to leave back any evidence, no DNA traces left behind. That clean. So now we're going after these empanadas. Love empanadas. Just had a quick glance at them. Still warm, nice and crunchy on the outside, but not too much dough. You have some good meat here. Super excited about that.
yeah, so we're gonna have to come.
Yo, she's thick. Filled very nicely with the meat. The meat is not like just there for looks. Like it has substance. The meat is very well seasoned, not bland. The actual dough, nice and crunchy. A good crunch on the outside, pretty solid crunch on the outside. But the flavors are there. The flavors are there, folks. Get you some. Next, we're gonna try. They have the Nuestra like signature empanada, which is a like a thing. It's like a barbecue beef coleslaw type setup. Oh my god, that sauce on the wing is amazing. I can't even think about what it's gonna do to me inside of an empanada. I'm excited. Very nice. Very nice. The meat in all the empanadas are really densely packed, so you're not getting like a cheap empanada. They're a good size, and it's not too crazy with the oil, which I like. It doesn't go all the way down your arm, but there is some love there. It's not completely dried out. Definitely worth trying out. All right, so I'm going after the pernil sandwich. Pernil, if you don't know, it's pork shoulder in the sandwich here, and love. Get a shot of that real quick in there. Here we go. The softness of the bread, really nice. I kind of wish that the bread was maybe like flattened a little bit. It kind of came into the sandwich. But the flavors are great. The pernil is nice and soft and moist. The sauces are good that are in there. The dense sandwich, everything here is really dense. You can have one order of something and you better get some wings and you're good. Like you are honestly good. But we can keep going with some of this. If you know somebody who doesn't like to try new things and get excited about food, this would be the plate for them. This is that safe chicken and beans, very colorful, very flavorful, looks nice. Not like before the last review. You gotta remember what happened with that rice. You remember what happened, right? If you don't remember, watch it. Even the white rice alone, like, has its own flavor. Very nice. Chicken, soft, not hard, not crunchy, like real pieces of chicken breast in here. And the beans have good flavor. The beans definitely have good flavor in them. But I'm gonna keep eating here. I'm gonna try to eat as much as I can. No promises. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I was a little bit of a punk. Okay, I was a lot of it. There was so much food there, that's not fair. You can't judge me, that's not fair. So we have two desserts here. The mango passion fruit cheesecake, which is the owner Natalie's favorite. Hooking it up. Let's give this a shot. You see, now she's just showing off. She's just showing off now. She's like, you thought the leche was good? You thought the wings were good? Hold on to your seats. Watch this. I get it. I get it. Like, I understand it. We are in one accord. It's bomb. It is, you know, what did Osvaldo say about channel? It is very
sweet.
That. It's very that. And but the passion fruit breaks down the cheese, so it gives it a tanginess, a sweetness, a little bit of a tart maybe on top of it, while keeping through, which cuts through nicely through the nice cheesecake flavor. But I have to try the fidel leche, one of my favorites. But this is bomb. Now I'm gonna go after the fidel leche. If you don't know what fidel leche is, what did I say before? Google it, right? That's just Google it. I don't know. Google it. It's basically a sponge cake. Has 3 different milks. Fidel leche, 3 milks. You got evaporated milk, condensed milk, and heavy cream. A 3rd milk, heavy cream. So that's the other one there. Enzo says hi, by the way. It is really good. Got a nice, like a frosting or whipped something or another on top. This part on the bottom, the milky part there, It's coconutty. It's
like sweet.
sweet. Yeah, it is. Almost like told to say that it's like a coquito, which is like a Puerto Rican eggnog type thing. Whatever it is, it's wonderful. I'm not gonna fight it. I'm excited. I'm gonna finish this. We're gonna continue this. So they say that good things happen to those who wait. This was no exception. I know that I came here a couple weeks ago, really was excited to try the food and give it a shot, everything that they had here. I had to wait. And you know what? It's okay. It was worth it. The food is delicious. The wings are delicious. The empanadas are delicious. The dessert was delicious. The pernil sandwich was delicious. It really was, everything was just delicious. The star players here, for me, really are the wings, man. The wings and the empanadas. The empanadas were dense and thick and delicious. The wings with that guava barbecue sauce that they have, their signature sauce, award-winning sauce, amazing. That mango habanero sauce, amazing. That lemon passion fruit, amazing. A little bit of kick on that lemon passion fruit that I wasn't expecting. Everything food-wise here was great. If you're coming by here, they have off-street parking. Right now, the parking lot that we're in is going to be a dealership, but they have off-street parking, which is plenty fine. You're not worried about leaving your car here. Everything that is here now is set to go. And like I said, they're going to be around this location for the next few weekends. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, from about 11 to 6. And I have the hours marked down at the door that you'll see there. Keep aware of everything that this business is doing. They might turn into a food truck. They might change location, especially where it's tough with COVID and everything, planning things. Keep aware, support your local businesses, and grab some food. You guys got a couple weekends to enjoy these wings. I will be coming back just for the wings and empanadas, honestly. I look forward to it. Come back, try these. If you haven't had a chance, please hit that subscribe button. Share this, like this. Put down below where you think I should go next. Who knows? Maybe the place that you suggest will be the next place that I go and do a review of. Thanks for watching.